Good morning, guys. It's Dave here. There's Ollie. You're probably wondering where's Damon. And we fired him. We're taking over the channel. We just figured, you know what, there's too many what's up guys, and there's too many smash that subscribe buttons. The truth is that Damon has a family matter to take care of today, and this car needs to get down to California. So Oliver and I are taking this to Port Angeles, where Plycar is going to meet us, load it up, and ship it down. So we're gonna take a luxurious cruise on the Coho.
We're going on a cruise together?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, the first of many. We're taking the Coho, which goes to Port Angeles out of Victoria, BC.
It's gonna be interesting getting the car off because of the way the ramp is. So
right.
It'll be interesting.
Like
the car's
this.
so low.
Oh yeah. Well, here's the good news. We can't do any more damage than it already has. Any concerns?
That was already like that, Damon. It was already like that.
If you're ever wondering what it's like to travel with a DD car, it's kind of like crowd control. Oliver right now is entertaining the locals as we're looking at the car. Where we live in Victoria, British Columbia, you don't see a lot of supercars, especially supercars that have a crazy wrap, crazy wheels, and crazy owners. Ironic at my first vlog I'm posting, it looked like I got beat up. What happened was I was working on a door panel and I had to meet in those pliers and I was trying to pull a panel off. Anyways, I hit myself in the face with it, blood everywhere. So don't mind my disfigurement. So we're here at the Black Ball Ferry Line in Victoria, British Columbia, about to board the Coho to head over to Port Angeles, where the driver's waiting for us to load the car and send it south to California, where we will fly out soon and come to you guys.
He wants me to do a donut.
We'll do a donut then. Look at it, he's all excited.
I'm not doing a donut. Yeah, I'm coming. See you, buddy. Take care.
Alright, this is it. Everybody here is waiting for.
Will this car go on this ferry?
Will it fit? You nailed it.
Rule number one with parking a supercar: always lower it.
Yeah, don't ever get caught in a lift up.
Don't ever leave your lift up.
Even I know that.
Yeah.
We did it. Oliver made it on a boat. No additional damage to the splitter. Now look at this, guys. We have a front row seat. Look at that. Where's Ollie? Look at that old door. I need sunglasses. Okay, so we are now leaving the Victoria Harbor, headed to Port Angeles. I just talked to our good friends at Plycar. Nick, my boy, what's up? They're waiting for us. So when we get off the boat, there'll be a big, beautiful truck trailer waiting for us to load up the Lamborghini. And then we gotta hop back on this boat. We only have like, I think an hour to make it happen. Otherwise, we're there overnight. I got some lunch. I got a turkey sandwich. It actually looks really good. There's real turkey in there.
That's older than your children.
That's real turkey.
That expired 12 years ago.
And then the best thing ever, which is the Starbucks cold brew. Now, Oliver packed lunch. I'm sure yours is better. What did you bring?
Vegetables.
Oh my goodness.
And then my usual fare. You want to see it?
Yeah. Oh, it's frozen.
Yeah, I freeze them.
How can you eat that?
Take it out of my car.
Ah. All I bring is a credit card and a passport. We're in Port Angeles.
Port Angeles.
Oh, it's beautiful here. We are almost there. We're just about to dock. Let's head back to the car. Oh yeah. You know what they say? If you ain't first, you're last. Alright, we're gonna unload in a minute, but I thought we'd do some quick car spotting while we're on the boat. What do we have? What do we have here? It's like an AMG, 55, and I'm pretty sure there was a Porsche somewhere around here. I'm a liar. I wasn't lying. I can see it. I can get through here. Look at that. A bit close there. A little close for comfort. Here we are.
There you go, there's the winch.
Oh, I can feel the boat is... That's the winch?
Yeah, so you'll hear it. It'll go. Thanks,
pro.
guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You nailed it.
That was the part I was worried about, man.
Focus, focus, focus. Hold on, this camera's horrible. Made it. Got our passports.
Yeah.
How's that experience for you?
Well, the rubber glove thing?
I'm sore. No, guys, it was really awesome. The guys were like, watch out for that bump. See you later.
Watch out for the bump. Have a good day. What are you importing into the States?
Good looks.
Nothing.
1 hour until Ply Car gets here.
Well, hopefully less than that because I need to get here. But there's a great place to eat right up here. We'll just have some, maybe a food vlog.
Food vlog? Yeah, we're nailing this whole vlog game, right? We've got some beautiful, sexy shots.
Sure.
Comedy, romance.
Romance.
And hopefully make it home today on the next ferry at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we need to hustle though, yeah.
And if we don't make it, then it's gonna be a tour of Port Angeles. I heard there's really good clubs here.
It's not happening. We're going home today.
Okay, let's go find a restaurant. Grab some lunch.
Right up here is really good health food.
What are you in the mood for? Is it health food?
Yeah, health food.
Yesterday, Damon took us to a vegan restaurant.
What?
Here's the thing, they had salmon on the menu. So it wasn't really a vegan restaurant.
Really a vegan restaurant.
Interesting. New Day Eatery. What do we have here?
How are you? Yes, we are. You want to sit down?
Yeah, sit down.
Please.
All right, that's lunch done. We didn't vlog it. We wanted to eat in private. And our neighbors next to us probably didn't want to be on camera the whole time, so.
Not this camera anyway.
So Port Angeles has a pretty rich heritage. In 1862, President Abraham Lincoln ordered a lighthouse to be erected right where we're standing. Well, not exactly, in this area. And as a result, we have this beautiful city. This is one of 2 ways you can get off Vancouver Island. There's this ferry, and then there's a ferry that goes to the mainland. So the driver's not quite here yet. Oliver and I are gonna take a tour of Port Angeles. Or is it Angela's?
Port Angeles.
Oh man. Oh, look, my phone's ringing. Maybe that's the driver there.
That's the driver now.
It is. Hey, how's it going? This is a tour of Port Angeles with our host, Oliver. What do we need to know about this town as we bottom out? Obviously fishing, I would assume. No?
So they've obviously got, like, this looks like a grain ship of some sort.
A grain ship? Oh yeah.
It is, yeah.
You guys can see that this phone does not zoom or focus quickly. Here's immediately gas is like half the price when you cross the border.
Oh yeah.
Because what do we pay per gallon it works out to? Like $6? What's happening here?
Stormtrooper.
Good news, if we get stuck here, there's a red line. That's where we're staying. Is this your first Lamborghini experience?
Yeah, it is.
And what are your thoughts?
It's the most beautiful car I've ever been in.
Yeah.
I'm from Los Angeles. I've seen a lot of beautiful cars from LA, but man, I never sat anything like this. But this is just too beautiful. Oh my gosh.
So this is how
I'm in my glory right now. How do I look in it?
we're just cruising, looking for a big tractor trailer. How are you, sir? You made it! Sure, get up here.
I made it. I made it. Oh.
How amazing is Ply Car? Our boat leaves in 20 minutes and we're here. Let's introduce you on camera. What was your name?
I'm Sam.
Sam, I'm Dave. Nice to meet you in person finally.
Finally.
So where are you from? Arizona?
Me, I'm from Arizona.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're up north. You go everywhere with Ply Car.
I go everywhere. Everywhere. Wherever you are, I go.
I love it. We love it. You guys are awesome. If you want your car moved the right way, Sam will take care of it. Look at this.
I'll take some inside pictures and send them to you.
Appreciate that, man. Safe travels. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you.
Ply Car, best in the business. We'll see ya.
Don't miss your boat.
We're literally running for our boat now. It leaves in 2 minutes.
Here's your sandwich, buddy.
Oh, I got a sandwich. But Flycar's awesome. We literally gave them no notice. They made it here, met us at the ferry. Got it done.
Driver was apologetic that
he's
it was, like,
awesome.
so tight. Yeah.
And we're running. And we're running. My phone, or my camera died, so I'm using my iPhone, guys, so forgive the quality.
Yes, sir. You did it. You did it, right? We made it like with a minute to go.
We made it. There's customs. You can't film in customs. I've learned that the hard way with you know who. So we're now back in Victoria, and I think we're gonna get a cab to VCM. We're gonna walk. Well, how far is it?
It's like a kilometer.
Let's get a cab. So this is the harbor. This is where I come and I just set up shop and just ask for money from people. You, sir. Help a guy out. Help a YouTuber out.
We should actually do that.
That's funny.
Have Damon sitting here with his legs crossed, little CDs of his work.
All his vlogs onto a disc. We have arrived at VCM. Check that out, guys. Isn't that crazy? We'll go check it out in a minute. We're here to get Oliver's E55. Oh yeah, look at this. Look who wrapped it. It's our friends, Graphic Effects. That explains why it's perfect. All right, we are back in the game. Look at that, we're back. There's the office. Had a fun day with you, sir.
Get out of my car.
I feel like that was the first date.
No.
This is that awkward part, like
This
what
the
happens,
awkward part?
what happens next.
I can tell you what happens next.
Do you text me?
You get out of my car.
Yeah.
And you wait for that time.
Thank you, sir. I'm gonna drive home. Pleasure as always. Back in my fuel efficient commuter here. I am so tired. I don't know why I've been doing nothing all day. It's way more tiring than being busy all day. Today all we did was we sat on the boat, ate some food, got to Port Angeles. I know it's Angela's, it's just funner to say it that way. Dropped the car off, got on the boat, ate some food and came home. So I'm stuffed, I'm tired, and now I'm gonna head home. So maybe I'll end the vlog here. Appreciate you guys hanging out and watching Oliver and I for the first time doing a vlog. I apologize for the lack of sexy shots. We're just getting straight to the core with you guys with my cheap little Canon camera. If you like what you saw, subscribe. I'm not gonna force you. DDE merch, lots of good options in the store right now, and also the DDE tricolor hat is back. Lots of guys asked me about that, so grab some merch. Otherwise, see you next video. See you guys.